spices that will help make you well. Nutmeg has anti-inflammatory properties. Nutmeg is a popular spice derived from the seeds of Myristica fragrans, a tropical evergreen tree. It is widely used for its warm, nutty flavor in various dishes, ranging from sweet desserts to savory recipes. Beyond its culinary uses, nutmeg also offers a range of health benefits, particularly due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Health benefits of nutmeg. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Nutmeg contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory effects, which can help reduce pain and swelling. This is particularly beneficial for those suffering from chronic inflammatory conditions such as arthritis. 2. Antioxidant effects. The essential oils and other compounds in nutmeg, such as myristicin and eugenol, have strong antioxidant properties that help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. This can aid in preventing diseases and slowing down the aging process. 3. Brain health. Nutmeg has been shown to have benefits for brain health, potentially helping to enhance memory and relieve symptoms associated with anxiety and depression. The compounds in nutmeg can also prevent the degradation of neural pathways and brain tissue. 4. Digestive health. Nutmeg is often used to improve digestion, relieving symptoms like bloating, gas, and constipation. It can also stimulate the appetite and help in the secretion of various gastric and intestinal juices that facilitate digestion. 5. Pain relief. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, nutmeg can act as a natural pain reliever. It is often used in traditional medicine to alleviate muscle and joint pain, as well as menstrual cramps. How to use nutmeg. Nutmeg can be incorporated into your diet in various ways. Cooking. It can be grated fresh or used as a powder in baking, cooking, and in beverages like eggnog and mulled wine. Essential oil. Nutmeg oil is used in aromatherapy and can be applied topically when diluted to relieve muscle pain and inflammation. Supplements. Nutmeg is available in capsule form and can be used to take advantage of its digestive and anti-inflammatory benefits. Considerations. Dosage. Nutmeg should be consumed in small quantities as large doses can be toxic, potentially causing symptoms like hallucinations, nausea, vomiting, and palpitations. This condition is known as nutmeg poisoning. Allergic reactions. Some people may have an allergic reaction to nutmeg. Symptoms can include contact dermatitis or respiratory reactions. Pregnancy and nursing. High doses of nutmeg during pregnancy is not recommended as it may affect pregnancy adversely. Always consult a healthcare provider for guidance. Nutmeg is a versatile and beneficial spice with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, among other health benefits. However, due to its potency, it should be used with caution and in moderation to avoid any adverse effects. As always, consult a healthcare provider if you have any concerns, or if you're considering using nutmeg in a medicinal capacity, especially if pregnant or nursing. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any of the good Life with Spice healthcare remedies. Also visit our website at www.orangeblackmuseum.com.